Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we're going to be building a simple workflow starting with the trigger of a new record in Airtable. Then we're going to use some of our tools by Workload to interpret the response, and then use that to send an email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to go ahead and start here on the Workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Airtable to Gmail. And we're going to click in the trigger box and we're going to select Airtable. And our event is going to be new record. So we'll click continue and then we'll select our Airtable account. And then within Airtable, the base I want to monitor is the workload testing. And the table is going to be my subscribers table. So whenever there's a new record in my subscribers table, that is going to initiate this workflow. I'm going to click continue, and then I'm going to test this trigger. And we have a success. We found a new record within our Airtable. The information in our Airtable appears to be within an array. You can see it's indented here. And if I click on the raw console, you can see all that information is stored within the fields array. So I'm going to have to use a tool in order to pull that information out. So I'm going to use the AI formatter by Workload. We're going to format the data. The input data is going to come from that trigger. So I'm going to click in this drop-down menu and find that fields array. And then I'm going to paste in a prompt, flatten the fields array so that all the data is not contained within an array. And we'll test that action. And there we go. Now we have all of those fields from our new record in Airtable, but now they're flattened, so they're not within an array. So now I can continue. I'm going to add a step. This is going to be in Gmail. And I'm going to send an email. Continue with my Gmail account. And then I'm going to import who the email is to from that formatted data in the second step. So that's going to be the email address. The from email is going to be me. And that same email I'm going to use for the reply to. And the from name is going to be me. So the subject will be welcome. And the body will say dear space. And then I can import the name from our formatted data. Margarita Puskas, comma. Thank you for subscribing. And then I can click continue, and I can test my action. And it looks like we've successfully sent that email. So I'm going to click continue. And now my workflow is set up. I have a green dot in each of my nodes. So that means each step is set up correctly. So then I can activate my workflow. And now anytime there's a new record in Airtable, it will format that data and then pull out the information from that formatted data in order to send an email in Gmail. That's how you can build a workflow, starting with a new record in Airtable and then formatting it through our AI formatter by Workload in order to send an email in Gmail. Please like and subscribe to this video to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices run more smoothly. I'll see you next time.